Alright, I got the garden all cleaned up. Got the corn out of here. You can see our peanuts are doing really well. They are not quite ready to harvest by date. It's supposed to be 145 days, which will be in a few days. But squirrels have been getting into them. I don't know if you can see the peanut holes. You can see some on the ground there. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the peanuts today, and we're gonna be boiling these. So I'm not exactly sure how to cure them. I've read up on it. They've got to be dried out. You can do it in the oven, out in the sun. We're about to get a lot of rain, so I'm just going to go ahead and start harvesting today. And I'm going to refrigerate them because we're going to be boiling them. So hopefully that's gonna be okay. All right, so let me. You can see I've got a lot of work to do here. We're going to be planting some Henderson bush beans. I don't know when. It's going to be in the next few days, maybe within the next week. We've got to get them in the ground. So I got to get this plot all cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and harvest some peanuts. Let's see what we have. I'm super excited. First time growing them. The variety is a Virginia peanut called a Bailey 2. Purchased them from Hoss Tools. I haven't done anything to them. I'll put a little gypsum down and a little bit of pre-plant fertilizer, some Coop Grow, and that is it, other than water. And matter of fact, I've got them on drip tape, but I haven't even used drip tape on them probably in the last month. We've had enough rain, and they look very healthy. I thought they were supposed to die back, but this variety, from what I read on it, does not die back. They will stay green, so you just have to kind of go by the number of days they've been in the ground. So anyway, that's what you're looking at. There's about a 25-foot row. It's actually a double row, and we'll see what we get. And you see my little friend right there. Look how brave he is. Are you kidding me? Right in front of me. Hey, man. Leave. Leave. All right, let's get some peanuts. Here's one I pulled up earlier today. And we got a few on here. I'm just going to throw them in the little wagon I got over here. Some of these may be down in the ground, I don't know. See a lot that formed it. It didn't seem to do too well. Oh yeah. They're definitely ripe. I don't know if ripe's the right word, but wow. You can see all the peanuts there. Get these gloves off. Now I don't know what's normal here as far as how many you should get per plant. You can see how many that were forming, but they didn't go the distance. So I don't know if that's normal or if it's something I did or didn't do. Like I said, this is the first time growing them. So I mean, I did a little research, but I still don't really know much about them. what I do know, this variety is supposed to be good for our area and good for the backyard gardener. It's supposed to be an easier variety to grow. We can go back through them, and there's no telling how many are down in the dirt that may have come off the plant. There's one. Well, I say a lot, just the one. Got some rain coming. Let's open one up. Yeah, there's one good peanut, one's green, so I'm not really sure what that means. So, but I do got some rain coming, so I've got to hurry up. I don't want to get these any more wet than what they are. I don't know if you can hear the thunder toward the north, so I don't know how many of these I'll get. I don't remember how many I planted. I'd have to go back and look. They are on double rows. It's about a 25-foot row, but I don't remember how many seed I put down. I think I spaced them about every 10-12 inches. That's what they kind of look like here. So you kind of do the math that we should have about 50 plants or so. I remember the germination was pretty good. Yeah, this one's loaded up too, really nice. They feel full as well. Whether they are or not, I don't know, but they feel like a peanut. Feel like they should, like you would in the store. Let's pull up the camera there. See how many peanuts are on there. Right around the base, they did really good. Alright, that's what we got so far. I don't know how many that is. Put them in a bunch and we've got maybe a third of the row. Not even a third. So we've got a ways to go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off and let me get the rest of these up, and then we'll weigh them or put them in a bowl and we'll show the finished product. I appreciate you coming along during this harvest. We're super excited to be able to grow peanuts, and we'll catch you up. Oh, can't even talk, I'm out of breath. I'll catch you up here in just a little bit.